Which food is most damaging to liver health? Answer C. Energy drinks. What is most harmful to heart health? Answer A. Fried chicken. What is most harmful for mental clarity and focus? Answer B. Fast food. What food negatively affects gut bacteria the most? Answer D. Sugary snacks. Which drink can overload the pancreas when consumed excessively? Answer B. Fruit soda. Which snack helps maintain stable energy levels? Answer C. Boiled eggs. Which of the following promotes kidney function? Answer A. Cucumber. Which organ removes old blood cells? Answer B. Spleen. Which organ helps regulate body temperature? Answer D. Brain. Which organ absorbs water during digestion? Answer A. Large intestine. Which organ controls voluntary movements? Answer C. Cerebellum. Which organ produces bile? Answer B. Liver. How many hours of sleep are recommended for teenagers? Answer A. 8 to 10 hours. What is cirrhosis? Answer D. Liver scarring. Which specialist deals with skin disorders? Answer C. Dermatologist. Who treats problems related to female reproductive organs? Answer D. Gynecologist. Which doctor specializes in treating cancer? Answer A. Oncologist. Who diagnoses and treats hormone disorders? Answer B. Endocrinologist. Which symptom is common in dehydration? Answer C. Dry mouth. Which blood cells help in clotting? Answer B. Platelets. Where is the femur bone located? Answer D. Leg. What is the total number of ribs in the human body? Answer A. 24. Which hormone regulates sleep? Answer D. Melatonin. Which activity improves lung capacity the most? Answer C. Jogging. What is the medical term for low blood sugar? Answer B. Hypoglycemia. What is the medical term for high blood pressure? Answer A. Hypertension. Which condition results from iodine deficiency? Answer C. Goiter. Which vitamin is essential for vision? Answer A. Vitamin A. Which of the following is a good source of calcium? Answer B. Broccoli. Which hormone is linked to stress? Answer D. Cortisol. Out of 30, how many did you get right? Post your score below and don't forget to like, share this quiz, and subscribe for more.